Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a glowing wave in text effect in CapCut. So you can start by adding the text that you want. Then you can just select your favorite font in here. Okay, I'm going to adjust and then go to style and select glow. Here click on this free glow effect and adjust the intensity to only 25 and range to around 50. And after that, to get the wave in effect, you need to go to animation and then find the wave in animations under the in category. Just scroll down. Okay, so this one's right here, just select that and adjust the duration. Okay, after that you are done and you can just click on a check icon, and this is the glowy wave in text effect. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Thank you.